Hello and welcome to the Application Express 5.1 video series. This quick hits video is on editing the breadcrumbs. Hello, my name is David Peake, Product Manager Application Express. So from the app builder, I'm simply going to run the customer tracker application. So I've actually modified the default application to show you what happens when you create an application by default. Often you'll just get names like this customer details here. But in the packaged application, we actually had the customer name. So how do you go about doing that? So if we click on Quick Edit, we can actually go and select the breadcrumb region, and it'll take us into that page. But that is actually just the region itself. What we need is under Shared Components. If we go to breadcrumbs here, click on that breadcrumb, edit the component, then it'll take us directly to the particular page, which in this case is page 50. So here is the entry which says customer details. And what we need to do is go and get the customer name. Now, I've already had a bit of a look at this application, and so I know that it's sending across the customer ID. So what I'm going to have to do is define a application item to hold the customer name. So let me go and create that, and I'll call it customer name. Okay, and create that application item. And then I need to actually go to the page itself. And if I go back in here in the pre-rendering, I need to create a computation to actually populate that field. So my item name, I want application items. So if I go in here, you'll find customer name. And then the SQL is relatively simple. I simply select customer name from EBA customers, where ID equals, and then the primary key, which is going to be P50ID. And then all I need to do is go back into my breadcrumb entry and edit that. I need to save first before I go off, edit the component, and instead of customer details, now I'm simply going to use that application variable I defined called customer name. So ampersand customer name period, apply my changes, and now when I run this page, it's actually showing me the customer's name. So if I go back, select a different company, then each time it's bringing up that customer's name and putting that into the breadcrumbs for me. So that's how you can go about modifying the breadcrumbs. Thank you.